All right, for our EDC close-up today, we are talking about the Civivi Spiny Dogfish folding knife. I know I've talked about it. We've had it in a Deals of the Week, but I don't think I've done an exclusive on it, and I really wanted to showcase this knife because it is kind of unique. It's different. I like it, and I don't like it at the same time. And I want to talk about some of the reasons. So now this is from Civivi. They're a fairly well-known brand. I think they sell mostly on Amazon, but I think they have their own site as well. It could be. Anyway, I'll put what links I can find down below. Anyway, it comes in a few different colors, and we'll show that in just a minute. It comes with this nice case here. Let me open this up here for you. So nice, look at it, furry, soft, felt-lined case there. Actually, I don't even think it's felt. It's like faux fur. It's a nice case. I really appreciate that they come with a case. I don't know how often I'll use the case, but I like it. And the knife itself, it really struck me. I liked the design. It jumped out, how thin the handle was and everything. Now, as far as the clip on it, let's start there. It's a fairly deep carry. All right, I've seen some that actually go beyond the scale of the knife, but that's pretty deep there. It is. I don't know if it's reversible. Yeah, it looks like nope. It's not reversible. It is what it is. That's your choice. You can't do left, right. You can't do up, down. It just is. The texture here is really nice. It feels like a G10. I'm pretty sure it's a G10 material. It's one of my favorite materials, so I'm pretty confident in what that is. It's a bearing knife here. Now, one thing I don't like is apparently my dexterity sucks because doing the whole thumb flip, I mean, I can do it, but I can't do it quick or anything like that. I prefer a front flipper or a side flipper or the button. But it is what it is. It's a nice knife. Let me get this out of the way so you can actually see here. Compared to, my hand there as far as the size. I'm a fairly bigger guy here. And I got big old, bear paws there. But it is a great knife as far as, I think, for the value, for what I think it sells for just under $60. It's got, the design on it is just unique and interesting to look at. Unfortunately, it is one of these ones where the design seems to take the forefront. The handle on it it's too small. For somebody my size, I'm 6'2". I can barely grip that thing. There's a lot of space left in there. I can move it down. I mean, I can use it, but it is not nearly as comfortable as almost any other knife. I love the blade design. There's a bevel right here. I don't know if you can see that. I would almost call it a chine, the way it's cut like this, similar to what you'd see in boat hulls. Not much in way in details on the blade. There's no jimping down here. It's pretty much, as far as I'm concerned, it's a design knife. It's not exactly a practical knife. It's a knife I like. I don't know if I can recommend it as an EDC knife or something. If you got smaller hands, if this is your kind of style, I get it, but I'm not saying it's terrible. It's got the liner lock, which is, of course, again, is not my favorite. It's easy enough to manipulate. The build quality is top notch. I can't say enough about the build quality. Everything I've seen from Civivi, I don't know how they pronounce it. Everything I've seen from them has been fantastic. But it's, again, I don't know. I bought this myself, and I bought it because of the style, and I probably should have been expecting it to be style over function. Let me know. What do you think? Is this the kind of knife that you would carry, or is it just a collector kind of knife? Anyway, I'm not going to get rid of it anytime soon. It's going to stay around. We'll see if it grows on me. Anyway, this is currently on sale on Amazon here. I'll put a link down below. It's 15% off of MSRP, coming in at $58. Again, let me know what you think in the comments. That's all I got for you today. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.